Fiat club.
It really is.
Yes. I'm loving it.
I gotta go home and be like, give me some booze. Yes. I need booze. Alright, question is top down or top up? Let's just sync the audio.
It is nice enough.
It is. I'm gonna throw this on because my hair goes wild. It's fucking crazy, man. This shit goes fucking wild. It makes me like want to drive it down all the time.
Right. I can hear the difference without even trying.
The turbo whistle, like that, right off the bat.
Yep.
That's what you hear. More Fiats, more Abarths.
Oh, yeah.
It's Fiat club.
It really is.
Telling you, man, that's why I said he's your guy. That's all he does. He works on everything, but literally Fiats day in and day out.
Yeah,
and since it's such like a niche vehicle that a lot of mechanics don't want to work on, and they're not familiar with the 1.4 multi-air, it's like this guy, that's all he does.
I had a buddy try to go get an oil change, and he said the oil shop wouldn't do it.
Wow, oil
like,
change. They just saw Fiat. I don't want deny.
Yup, they said
deny.
High risk. I was like, what? High risk.
And this is with that burbles tune.
Yeah.
Like your combustion has pops and bangs and burbles. I like the burbles better personally. Pops and bangs are like the gunshots 24/7.
Yeah,
some folks like them. I just think this adds that character without being over the top.
Yeah.
And some people hate this too.
I agree with that.
But personally, I think it adds just enough character without being over the top.
I think this is one of the cars that sounds good with the burble.
This is one of the best sounding 4-cylinders. It's not just because I have it. Like the SRT4s back in the day sounded awesome. My buddy had that. I drove one like for my friend. Like those sound. But nowadays, like this is one of the best modern sounding 4-cylinders.
I totally agree.
Up because then the audio gets really fucked up. At least then the audio is like semi okay.
Yes. I'm loving it. You're just enough. You're so right.
Fourth gear. Just under 4,000 RPM. That extra boost really helps. Let's see, what do we peak at? 28, damn. Probably doesn't hold that though. That's why I like having that camera as well. Because that'll tell me, like, it'll like maybe for a split second hit that. But honestly, it's probably more like 26 most of the time, and then it'll drop. I don't know, I wasn't staring at it. Good thing is no check engine lights, and I've been getting on it quite a bit, but we'll see.
I'm surprised you said.
It's just a map sensor. Like the map, it just keeps giving me like the same code, but everything's fine because I'll clear it, drive it, and it's fine. It's good. But for some reason, it'll kind of kick in if I get on it too much sometimes. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But compared to yours being stock.
Oh man. It does. It needs it. They should have came stock like this.
Then yeah, this is fun. You know what I'm saying? Like it's still not like insanely fast, but for what it is, it's quick. You can hit 13s and a quarter mile, break 100, trap speed. Like that's pushing the fast from quick to fast.
Yeah, it is. for something so small and relatively cheap.
I know, that's what people don't know either. The folks who don't know this car think it's like so damn expensive.
And again, for a little 4-cylinder.
A little bit of boost dump. Yeah, that's peaking way too high, 28. That makes sense that it's venting.
Yeah.
That's crazy because usually it's higher when it's warmer temperature, but now it's peaking a lot higher and it's not even that hot out. Even though it says it's 86, that's not 86.
No way.
That's impossible. What is it? What is it actually?
It is 73.
Yeah, this car, I don't know what is going. It always reads higher than it actually is. It's reading 86 right now.
13 degrees higher.
I don't know what it is. There's like these little tiny things that the car just likes to be weird about.
I gotta say, the noises though definitely make it more enjoyable.
It does.
Like 100%.
It does. When you're ready for an exhaust or a tune or whatever, you just let me know.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Especially with the top down, you just hear every little thing. The turbo, just everything. Between the blow valve, the burbles, just the idling of the turbo as you're cruising.
Yep.
The whistling, everything.
That's the best part.
It's awesome.
I know what I'm doing for Christmas. That's why I want to start working on the car, because I want to take advantage. I got the Pocono Raceway
Oh, wow, yeah,
right
yeah.
next to that.
Nice.
So nice. Very nice.
Very nice, I like.
Can I get a, oh yeah? You ever get the other cars slowing up to check out? Like, what is that?
Between the sound and the looks, I wouldn't be surprised, man. This car sounds awesome for a 4-cylinder, and it looks awesome.
It definitely doesn't sound like a 4-cylinder.
Nope. That's why I got this over the Miata. Looks, and I wanted the turbo from the factory.
Yeah.
As I modified, it's just easier to make power out of a car that comes from the factory with a
Yep.
turbo.
For me, it was the straight. I looked at it and I was like, you look more like a car to me.
Yeah.
Miata's more of a toy in my
Yeah.
eyes, you know? Don't get me wrong, I'd take either.
Yeah, I don't see the funny thing. A lot of people don't like the front. They say it looks like a catfish or whatever. Like, I don't mind the front end. I don't like the rear personally. It's the taillights. Like,
I
I don't
agree
know.
with
I'm
you.
not. The front looks aggressive. I actually don't
Yes.
mind it.
It kinda
The
looks
rear
lower.
looks more like blah. Like, I don't know. It's weird.
It's almost like they
This
can
I
go-
like everywhere. That's why it's like front, rear, side angle, this angle. Like, it's just
looks-
beautiful.
It's a classier looking car to me.
Yep.
Sounds so nice. You're right, bro. If I had this, I would not be driving with my top up. I'd be wearing a sombrero.
top down. I don't drive enough with the top down, man. I'm telling you. I'm fucking amazed by it too. Even though it's my car, 'cause I don't drive enough with it.
It sounds so good. Yeah, I gotta do it. I got it. I can see it now, pulling up to the meet. What the hell is that?
got to do, because you have a resonator in the mid pipe where mine doesn't have it from the factory. Regardless that I have a full turbo back, that's why the Classicas and Lussos are like a hair quieter than the Abarth to begin with from the factory.
Okay.
Because you guys have a resonator in the mid pipe where the Abarth doesn't.
So just swap that.
You could literally, I got the stock one at home. Like, I don't know, I was gonna either sell it. If you're not gonna go full blown aftermarket exhaust, just swap in the mid pipe will give you a little bit of sound. If eventually you want to get an exhaust, right now I just deal with Ragged's Own, but even other companies, like I'll see what I have. I'll definitely work with you on whatever.
Oh yeah, bro. Definitely talk. Like I said, I want to rep the brand too, so I got you.
I appreciate it. Like, I never try to push people to it, but it's up. That's why, like, I brought other stuff. Like, I'd rather whatever you want. You know, if you're actually gonna wear it.
Oh yeah.
I got. Like I said, I think, did I bring it? I might have forgot the fucking window, the sticker. I don't know. It is whatever. I'll see what I got.
That OnlyFans play. I love that. Might have to wear that to work too. You're like, what the hell? Yep, follow my channel.
No codes. That's fucking awesome. All right.
That's amazing. This car. Yeah, I gotta do it. Convince me.
That's it.
What a ride.
You gotta go home and be like, give me some booze. I need booze.
This ride home is gonna be, I'm gonna be like, God damn it.